How to log in to Disney Plus on TV code. Unlike logging in Disney Plus on mobile and computers where you just need to enter the email address and password used to subscribe to Disney Plus and select login to confirm, when you want to log into Disney Plus on TV or TV connected devices, you will need your computer or mobile to help activate and log in Disney Plus with disneyplus.com. Begin 8-digit code. Now simply launch the Disney Plus app on your smart TV or TV connected device and select login. Visit disneyplus.com/begin from a computer or mobile browser. If you are having trouble accessing this link, then please switch to an incognito or private window on your browser and type the link again. Then enter the 8-digit code that appears on your TV screen and follow the prompts to log into your Disney Plus account on your computer or mobile device. Once logged in, you will see your TV screen refresh with a successful activation prompt. Select Start Streaming to enjoy Disney Plus content on your smart TV or TV connected device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.